What happens when you sit in complete silence for just 2 minutes? Your brain may become louder than the world around you. 1. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you can sit safely for a few minutes. 2. Put your phone away. Turn off the music, television, and notifications. 3. Now simply sit there. You don't need to do anything special for it. First, the silence might feel strange. You may suddenly notice sounds you normally ignore. 5. You might hear a clock, traffic outside, birds, your breathing, or even the movement of your own body. 6. Then something interesting can happen. Your thoughts may become much more noticeable. 7. You might start thinking about something that happened yesterday. 8. Then your brain may jump to something you need to do tomorrow. Another thought might remind you of a completely unrelated memory. Don't try to stop these thoughts. The goal isn't to make your mind completely empty. Instead, become an observer. Notice the thought, recognize it, and allow it to pass without following it. Imagine your thoughts like clouds moving across the sky. You can notice them without having to chase every cloud. Now bring your attention back to the sounds around you. Listen carefully. What is the closest sound you can hear? What is the furthest sound? Notice when your attention moves somewhere else. Maybe you start planning your day or thinking about your phone. When that happens, don't criticize yourself. Simply notice the distraction and gently return your attention to the present moment. Solution: practice this for 2 minutes each day. When 2 minutes becomes comfortable, you can gradually increase the time. Combine the exercise with slow breathing, quiet observation, or a simple object to focus on. If silence feels uncomfortable, start with gentle natural sounds such as rain or birds. Your brain doesn't always need more stimulation. Sometimes it needs a moment without stimulation. Sit quietly, observe your thoughts, notice your surroundings, and practice returning your attention. The next time your mind feels overwhelmed, don't immediately reach for your phone. Try giving your brain 2 minutes of silence first. Can you look at 5 objects for just 10 seconds? Close your eyes and remember them all. Try it now. Your brain receives thousands of pieces of information throughout the day, but your attention cannot consciously process everything around you at the same time. That's why you can look directly at something without actually remembering its details. Today, we're going to test your observation and memory with one very simple exercise. Look around the room you're currently in. Choose 5 completely random objects. It could be a cup, a book, a lamp, a phone, or a plant. You have only 10 seconds to study them. Don't just look at the objects. Pay attention to their colors, positions, shapes, and small details.